Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can download the data with a USB from device to Checktime software. First you have to plug in the USB, then you go to the menu, then you can go to the user manage, then USB manager, press OK. Then you can see here one screen we have. So we have the option download, upload and download option. So this third option, make sure is when you open this option, here go two things: attendance data and encryption setting. Here go two things: attendance data and encryption setting. So this must be off. Then we go here, we go to the download. First is attendance data, then we go down to all, press OK. So system will start downloading the data from the device to pen drive. Wait for a while. This is we are downloading attendance data. Download succeed, press OK. If you want to go download user data, go to user data, press OK. Download succeed. If you want to download the user photo from the device, go to the photo. The system will download all the photo to your pen drive. Okay, so now we have all the data in the pen drive. So we just take out the pen drive from here. So now we go to the software. I show you how to import in the Checktime software. After plug in the pen drive to the PC, so we have the pen drive. This is the file. Just now we download from the machine. So this is our attendance log. So this is our user data, fingerprint and face template. Everything is here. So now this data we are going to send inside the Checktime software. So first we open the Checktime software. Enter your username and password. Enter username, password done. So we go to data. We go to USB disk manage. Then we have here import employee, import record, import record photo. These three functions we are going to use. First we go to import employee, go to import user data. Then we go to our pen drive. We select the user.dat file, press open. So system will automatically download the data from USB drive to your software. Done. So press open. So it will take the fingerprint also. Then you have record, daily in out record. Then we go to import record, import record. We have to find the file with the serial number and att.dat. If you cannot see the any file here, you go here, start or star, enter. So you can see all the file in your pen drive. Then select this file, press open. So system will start downloading the data from your pen drive to your PC. Okay, data download done. So now we go to photo, import photo. We have the photos here. So you can select all photo and open. So system will download all the photo. Done. Then just go out from here. For normally every month we download the attendance log only, attendance data. So we after this we just go to the report. The report we want to calculate query. Make sure before the report you have all the setting done, timetable, everything. So you can go to the report. So we have the all report is ready here. So this is how we can import the data from pen drive to our PC. Thanks for watching.
Get your Checktime biometric system today. For more info, visit our website www.check-time.com.